We are here in Dubuque, Iowa at the Q Casino and Resort. Hello everybody, my name is Dan.
And I'm Lorraine.
And you're watching Midwest Gaming and Slots.
Let's do this.
Q style. We are back for another fun-filled episode of Midwest Gaming and Slots. Hello, Lorraine.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm doing great. It's bright and early in the morning.
Yeah.
We actually were here last night, but we're doing the show today. You know, we got a feel for the place. We're at the Q Casino in Dubuque, Iowa. Back to Dubuque again. Third time.
Yay. We like the view.
We like the view.
It's cute.
It's cute. Before we get going with today's show, our next show is our Thanksgiving show. And if you haven't seen our Thanksgiving shows, they're truly epic.
I thought you were going to say train wreck.
Nah, they're all right. But usually I like to read people's comments and questions. So if you have a comment or a question, please leave it at this show, and you might be on next week's or in 2 weeks' show whenever I put it up. All right? And please be nice comments, not like, why is your hair so jacked up all the time? Or,
You get that?
no. I usually get, Lorraine's hot.
I don't think so.
Dan's a dork. Lorraine, you should go solo. Get rid of that guy. Anyway, let's get on with the show.
All right.
All right, we're at the Q in Dubuque. Where exactly are we, Lorraine?
We are located in the Mississippi River.
It's an island. We're in the Mississippi River.
Oh, are we really?
Yeah.
Oh. On Champlain Schmidt Island in beautiful downtown Dubuque.
Yeah, it's kind of a trip getting here. I don't know, it's just twisty, turvy road.
Yeah.
Anyway, a little history on this joint. Started off as a dog track. June 1st, 1985. It opened as the Dubuque Greyhound Park, and at that time, they had greyhound races. Then what, Lorraine?
In 1995, they added slot machines.
Yep.
And in 2005, they added table games and became a full-fledged casino.
Yeah, regular casino. 2009, the name of the casino was changed to the Mystic. Then, they got in trouble. Because I guess there's a place called the Mystic in Minnesota, and they threatened to sue their asses. Oh, sorry, I mean butts. And then they had to change the name to, that was in 2017, and changed the name to the Q. I guess for Dubuque, the Q.
Oh, there you go.
So yeah. And in May of 2022, what happened?
The dog track ceased to exist.
Yeah, no more greyhound races. That's kind of like a trend in the U.S., no more races. So we kind of looked it up. It was interesting, huh?
Yeah.
That back in the 80s, there was like 60 dog tracks, greyhound dog tracks, but, you know, animal cruelty issues. And you read articles, some say the dogs were treated like kings, and some owners weren't so nice to their dogs. So only 2 more race tracks, dog tracks left in the United States. Kind of interesting.
Yeah.
So how big is this place?
This casino floor is 29,600 square feet.
It's bigger than Diamond Joe's by a hair.
They have over 1,000 gaming machines, including slots, video poker, and Keno.
Yeah, a lot of slots. 23 table games, and they have a sports book. I read somewhere they have a poker room, but
I haven't seen it.
I don't know where it is. So they might have one, they might not. You know, we do our homework around here for you people.
We do.
This place is not open 24 hours, is it, Larry?
It is not. It is on Friday and Saturday.
Yep.
But Sunday through Thursday, 7A to 3P.
7A to 3P. And they have a couple dining options here. There you go. First one is called Hula Hands. What's Hula Hands, Lorraine?
It's a similar menu to Applebee's or TGI Fridays.
Yeah, it's kind of off to the, it's not connected to the casino.
Not at
It's kind of
all.
like you got to walk all the way across the parking lot. Maybe equivalent, what, a half a block?
Yeah, not far.
Half a block, yeah. But, go ahead.
They have interesting desserts.
Yeah, we didn't go there, but it does look good. Vanilla bean cheesecake.
Ooh.
What else?
Molten lava cake.
A cream
Brulee.
Yeah, what she said. A boule.
And a OOEY caramel butter cake. That one sounds interesting.
I don't care who you are. Anything that's ooey
OOEY
gooey,
gooey.
gotta be good.
That was really in the name?
Yeah, that was it was. And then one place that is attached to the casino that we went to last night the Island Social Kitchen and Bar. Brand new, just opened 4 months ago.
Yeah. The
What do you got?
menu's extensive with sandwiches, pizza, steak, etc.
Yeah, pretty much anything you want.
The cool things are the appetizers. They have loaded tots.
That's what we had. They were good.
Oh, they were really good. Philly fries, a Bavarian pretzel, and signature mac and cheese.
Yeah, they got Alfredo mac and cheese because, you know, mac and cheese isn't bad enough for you. Let's throw some Alfredo on there.
That sounds really good though. Buffalo chicken mac and cheese.
Yeah.
And a barbecue pulled pork mac and cheese.
I also had like a Mexican style, some kind of mac and cheese.
We had chicken wings.
Yeah, we had the chicken wings. They were awesome. They were really good, really meaty, big. The loaded tots we had too. You can get a half order or a full order. The half order is plenty. If you're getting other food, the half order is plenty.
The Island Social also has desserts.
Yeah, we had some desserts.
We did.
And we're going to review them for you. We're going to put that footage in right here so you can see Lorraine's review of our desserts. Okay, we have the mason jar banana cream pie. And what is this one, Lorraine? Some chocolate bourbon.
Old-fashioned truffle. Right.
And Lorraine is going to sample them for us here. Ready, Lorraine?
I'm ready.
All right.
I have my spoon.
Give it a shot. We're going to do the caramel apple. Is that caramel apple?
This is banana cream.
Banana cream. Give it a shot. And good. Be honest. Very good. Look at that face. All right. Not to stuff your face. Now put some chocolate in there. Do you need to rinse your palate? All right. She's going to rinse her palate. This is a true tasting, people, just for you.
Just for you.
Lorraine is willing to sacrifice. Here we go.
For the people.
The bourbon chocolate frosting. Some kind of sheer delightfulness in a glass.
It looks like there's a cherry.
A cherry. Oh, looks good. Yeah, it looks real good. And she's tasting it. Oh, how's the texture? Is it delightful? If you had to pick, I know you're chewing. The chocolate cake. All right, there you go, folks. Take the chocolate cake bourbon frosting over the banana cream.
It is good.
But the bourbon chocolate frosted goodness is it. All right, that's it. Live from Social Bar at the Q. All right, Lorraine. Your favorite was the chocolate cake then?
Yes.
I had this, yeah, the chocolate bananas. No, the chocolate bourbon whiskey mousse.
Cake.
I would have to give a slight edge to the banana thing. When you get the banana, the whipped cream, caramel, it was delightful. But we ate it all. It was great. What's that going to cost you, Lorraine?
It's reasonable.
15 to 20 bucks a person.
Right.
Yeah. So not bad. It's good. Check it out. Brand new, like I said. They got beer there too. Lots of good beers.
Special, what was it? Beer for $3. You got a good sized can.
Our total bill, we had tots,
appetizer, the wings,
2 desserts. I had a beer. Lorraine didn't have anything, and it was 45 bucks. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. And entertainment.
The Q has a showroom similar to other casinos. They have national acts, cover bands, and tribute bands also.
And the cool thing is, a lot of times the tribute bands and cover bands are free. And they have some really good ones. They have like anything from 80s, 90s. What do I got written on here? Pop punk. That's cool.
You don't see that anymore.
Old school hip hop band. And some of the bands cost money, like 10, 20 bucks. But they have national bands too. So it's cool.
Didn't they have some country dude yesterday?
Yeah, some country guy there yesterday. We're not into country, so we had no idea where it was. But there was a big line to get in there. So they also have a big outdoor area too in the summertime for bigger acts. Come on, so say you get all drunked up, you need a place to stay. Can you stay here, Lorraine?
You can.
Big glass.
You can stay here. They have a 84-room Hilton Garden adjacent to the casino, so you got to walk out the door. And
It's like, it's in the same parking lot. So it's like, if you walk to your car, you can walk to the hotel too. But they're also building a new place too. It's a, what is it? It's going to be a 7-story boutique hotel. How a 7-story building can be a boutique hotel is beyond me, but hey, that means smaller room and pay more.
yeah.
Because it's a boutique. It's going to be called what?
The Key Hotel.
The key to your wallet.
And it'll open in 2025, fall of 2025.
Yeah, fall 25. So that'd be cool. That looks like it is going to be connected to the casino. So that'd be pretty cool. But anyhow, yeah, like I said, it's kind of usual. We do the show and then we go play, but we actually play. So when we say we're going to go try to get a bonus round, we already know we got a bonus round.
That, you spoiled it.
No, because you guys say we're going to go try to get a bonus round. If there's no bonus round, we're going to just come back and, you know, so it's going to be really short. But we got some good bonuses for you. So we're going to put those in right here and then we'll come in and wrap it up. Are you ready, Lorraine?
I am ready.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
We are playing
Money
the brand new Huff and Puff Money Mansion. We have triggered this bonus. We have no idea. You gotta talk loud. All right, ready, Lorraine?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Brand new game. Uh-oh. Come on. Something on the top. Something on the top. What's a hammer? 50 bucks? Is that what we win? Do we win more?
Holy cow.
We had 20 bucks in this game, and it's $1 a spin. We won nothing on 17 spins. We won 50 bucks on the Money Mansion. What do you think about that, Lorraine?
That's incredible.
That's like the quickest bonus ever. No free spins, it just goes up top. Should we hit the button? Should we do the dance? That's the money dance from Iowa. It's different than when you're in Michigan. See, we got 3 of those D things, and then we got to go out there, and that's how all the magic happened. And you want to see how this game normally goes? Oh my God, that is our first line hit. Let's do it again. All right, that is Huff and Puff Money Mansion. Brand new game. You've seen it first here on Midwest Gaming and Slots. Ooh, look at that. We're playing 88 Fortunes Diamond. We have gotten this bonus by getting those 3 symbols. If we get that diamond, it pays 5 to 500. Are you ready, Lorraine?
We're gonna get the diamond. Let's do this.
Here we go. Oh, we got a diamond. 5x. What's that pay? No, it's still going. No, it stopped. Oh, so when it goes 5x, it can keep exploding. That's exciting, isn't it, Lorraine?
Yeah.
Where's the diamond? How many spins we got left?
4.
4 spins left. Come on, where's the diamond? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh, that's a lot of action. 5. Keep going. That's it. 5. Hey, not bad.
Still pretty good.
We're at the 12 bucks. Where's our spins at? Oh, we got diamond. No, nothing. Hey, here we go. This could be huge. 5. Keep going. 20. Oh, no, 25. What'd that win? 1350? Seems like that'd be more than that. 18 times 75. All right. 2802. All right. Give it a backup spin. Oh, that would have been awesome. We got to do one more after that. That was pretty exciting. All right. That was 88 fortunes. Diamond. We're playing a new version of Texas Tea. You never seen this? We got 10 free spins. Are you ready, Lorraine?
Yes, let's go. Let's do this.
Let's do this. Don't know what we're doing. Holy cow, did we win all that? Oh, I thought we won all that. That would have been awesome. Win. Did we win the grand?
Mini.
What says we won the grand? Oh, you got to get the coins all up there. We thought we won the grand. We got all excited. Here we go. Texas, grand, win. Yippee! Here we go. What that? Oh, wait. We got 4 to the grand. One more. Oh my God, we win the grand. This is going to be the highest rated show on YouTube's ever. Give us that grand. Major, mini, win. No win. How many spins we got, Lorraine? Mini, major, minor, minor, win. We can't do it without no win. Do it, come on. Extra spin, win.
Yee-hoo. 6 out of 11.
There we go, 6 out of 11. We couldn't see it because we've had libation. Here we go. Where's the grand? Minor, mini, win. It's not giving us the win symbol. Come on. Major.
Win.
Ah, man, we're getting major. Oh, it got us all excited. Oh, we're running out of spins. Mini, win. We ain't even got one. We got one thing for the mini. This is BS. Major, mini, win. We'll win right now. What the hookie? Texas Ted. You've disappointed. Like we made it like it thinks it's big. We're betting $1 and we went $11. $1. That's not a big win. All right. We didn't even win. We just won past the mini. That's Texas T. Strike it rich. Texas Ted, you're disappointed. We are wrapping it up here for the 3rd time at the Q Casino. Did you have a good time, Lorraine?
I had a great time.
I knew you had a good time.
Well.
I just knew it. and yeah, this place does have a little bit of a swanky feel to it. It is newer.
It is newer.
Couple of things. It is a smoking casino.
It is.
Yeah, but the smoke didn't bother me. It didn't bother you?
No, but I could smell it.
Yeah, on our clothes. It does have Pepsi products.
It does have Pepsi.
Boo. And they do have a nice, we didn't mention, they have a nice swanky center bar.
Oh, they do have a center bar. It's nice.
Yeah, you can sit there, chill out. The interesting thing in the bar is they only have like 6 tabletop video poker machines.
Yeah.
They could put a lot more in there, which is kind of weird. Any negatives?
Not that I can think of.
Other than smoking and Pepsi.
Oh, those are my two.
If you like smoking and Pepsi, those are positives for you. There you go.
Are.
All right. Like I said in the beginning, if you have any questions for us, put it in the comments because in our Thanksgiving show, I might pull your question.
You probably will.
Yes. Like, who's your dentist? All right. Hug your dog.
Kiss your mom.
Get out to the store right now and start buying your Thanksgiving dinner.
Ooh. Turkey. Yum.
Turkey, yum. All right. From Dubuque, we love you.
Good night.
See ya. We are wrapping it up here from the Q Casino in Dubuque, Iowa. Did you have a good time here, Lorraine?
I had a good time.
Yeah, it's a good time. Place has a little bit of a swanky feel to it.
Kinda. I think because it feels new.
Yeah.
Congratulations, sir. Winner of 1,900. Have a terrific day.